Hello my dear friends, welcome to our Red Bugs YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make a beautiful butterfly here. So let's see what we want for this. I have taken a few stones from Red Bugs products. See, they're very beautiful. And a eye packet and a A4 board. You can take a whistle body one, then yellow color A4 paper and green color A4 paper. Then you can take black color pen and red, and a scissor and a glue bottle. Let's see how we can make this butterfly. First of all, we have to take this red color board and draw the butterfly's body. We can take the blue pen, black pen and draw. Can draw one side and fold it, then you can cut. When you finish cutting, you will get butterfly's body like this. Then after, you have to take the green color A4 sheet and fold it. You have to get the size to the middle part. You can take another color. So I took green, and you keep the red part on top and you can draw it. You can draw it any shape. I took like this, then you can cut it. Then you will get two like this. Then same, you have to take a small piece also. Okay, this is the way we cut the middle part. 2 for down and 2 for up. I will show it nicely. Take the red color butterfly and keep it on top like this, then you will get like this. Now keep it on side. We have to cut butterfly's face and body like this. So I have drew the body like this on the yellow color paper, and you have to cut it. So here I put the mouth with the red pen, and you can apply some glue on the face and put the two eyes. Then you take the black pen and draw lines. Now you take the butterflies whole parts and apply glue on it and paste. Okay. See, I have fixed all the parts to the butterfly's body, and take the middle part and apply some glue on it and paste it on the middle. Keep little space down and up. Now you have to paste these beautiful stones. You can paste it where you want. In my idea, I am going to fix them like this. And here you can put here also. Okay, this is the butterfly we made. You can buy all these stones and everything from Redbug products, and you can make this butterfly alone at home. It's end now. Next time I'm going to bring another handcraft. You can subscribe our Redbug's YouTube channel, and you can comment and you can share it. Thank you.